Well, you step outside at night, sit down in the car to go do some errands, and there's a green blob flying to the sky. Okay, so legit, that happened to us the other evening. A couple nights ago, we went out after dark. Not too late, because we're old folks. Went out after dark to do some errands, and I sit down in the car, and right before I start the car, there's this green ball of fire flying to the sky. I said to Mel, do you see that? It's like, what? That, I don't know if it was a big firework, or if it was like a comet or a meteor or whatever these things are. I'm not really a space guy. Or the aliens are coming. I don't know. It could have been aliens, I guess, because we're not all that far from Area 51 right now. So, you never know. All right. A little research tells me it was probably not aliens. I was disappointed. I would have been even more disappointed if I had it on video, if we were driving the van instead of the Prius, because the van has a dash cam on it, and I would have captured that ball of fire. Yeah. And then if I'd had the ball of fire, the green blob, when the aliens arrived, that would go viral.
Probably.
Well, according to space.com, the deal is it's the Orionids Meteor shower, which peaks, as we're recording this on October 20th, it peaks in the wee hours of the morning tomorrow, October 21st. So late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And the best time to watch for it is tomorrow morning, early on Friday. Here's what space.com says, because I told you I'm not a space guy. For a few days, centered on October 21 each year, the Earth sweeps through a swarm of meteoroids known as the Orionids, widely scattered bits and pieces shed by the most famous of all comets, Halley's Comet.
Oh, okay.
Now we know.
Yeah.
So apparently you can see these things occasionally for like a month ahead of time and a month afterwards. Tonight and tomorrow morning is the peak. So that one we saw a few days ago, that's what that was, and just our timing was just perfect. I would have totally missed it if we'd not gone out to do errands. So now when I go out for a walk in the evening, I'm like looking at the sky, looking to see if I see any more cool things, celestial things, or aliens, or anything else.
We'll have to take a trip out.
We left, yeah. So that's the deal. We're in town, or sort of in town. We're on the edge of town. Can't tell you exactly where we are for obvious reasons, but we're kind of in town. We have a decent night sky here, considering we're near town, but it's not epic. And there is some ambiance, shall we call it. Otherwise known as light pollution. So we'll have to take a trip out. I think Melanie's right. We'll have to go out into the desert and see if we find some aliens or meteors, whatever the case may be. And we'll see if we can get some on film for you. But there you go. Wanted to share that if you didn't know about it. And if you're free tonight, bundle up. Even here it's getting chilly. Not as chilly as it's going to be next week. We're in the 80s in the days here and like 40s at night. The nights are comfortable. The afternoons are too hot. Saturday, we had a big windstorm coming in and a cold front coming through Sunday morning, and then the temperatures drop. We have like better daytimes, but we're going down to like nighttime temperatures are freezing. And that's always a challenge when you want to see like cool celestial things at night and it's like too cold. So we'll see how this goes. We'll try and get out there tonight and see if we catch anything for you. So if you do, you'll want to see it here. So make sure you hit this like on this video. So hopefully YouTube will show you the next one. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. So hopefully YouTube will let you know when we publish another video, like whatever we manage to catch tonight. And, you know, if we don't have very good success, it won't be a very interesting video, but, you know, hey, we'll try, right? And
the stars are pretty around here anyways.
The stars are pretty. The night sky is good, even if we don't have an epic meteor shower. So we'll see what we can do. Meanwhile, thanks for joining us as Travel News Video, everybody. We will catch you in the next one.